the attached forfeiture specification. The remaining counts to be dismissed at the time of sentencing. At this time, there is no agreement as to sentencing.
All right, Mr. Smith.
Yes, thank you. What the prosecutor stated is correct. My client doesn't intend to enter a plea of guilty to the charge of the possession of drugs at 5. And after we're done, we can be heard on bond. Thank you.
All right. Mr. Harvey, how old are you?
I am 30 years old.
How far did you go through school?
GED.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Are you able to read, write, and understand the English language?
Yes, Your Honor.
Prior to coming to court, have you taken any drugs or alcohol or any prescription medication in the last 48 hours?
No.
Have you ever been diagnosed with or treated for any mental illness?
Just ADD, ADHD, attention deficit type stuff.
Are you being treated for that currently?
No.
All right. Did you get a copy of the indictment in this case?
Yes, I did.
And you're going to plead guilty to count 1, possession of cocaine, and the specification. Is that correct?
Yes, I guess so.
Do you have any questions about that?
No.
All right. Before I accept your guilty plea, I need to determine that you know and understand the constitutional rights you'll be waiving, the consequences of your guilty plea, and the maximum penalty I could give you. And I need to be satisfied that your guilty plea is being made freely, knowingly, and voluntarily. So I'm going to ask you some questions. If you don't understand the question or you want to talk to Mr. Smith some more, let me know and I'll give you more time. You understand that?
Okay.
You have a constitutional right to have a trial, either to me or to a jury of 12 Lake County citizens. You understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you go to a jury trial, all 12 members must agree to a guilty verdict before you can be found guilty. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you go to trial, the prosecutor will call witnesses to testify against you. Do you understand that the prosecutor must prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt at the trial?
Yes.
After the witnesses are done testifying for the prosecutor, you have the constitutional right to have your lawyer cross-examine the witnesses. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you go to trial, you have the right to have witnesses come here and testify for you. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If those witnesses refuse to come to court, I'll issue an order called a subpoena to make them come and testify. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
You have the right to testify at trial if you want to. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
You have the constitutional right to not testify at trial if you do not want to. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you decide not to testify at trial, nobody is permitted to comment on that decision. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If you go to trial and you're found guilty, you have the right to appeal the guilty finding. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you file an appeal, you have the constitutional right to have a lawyer represent you in the appeal. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you could not afford to hire a lawyer, one would be provided at no cost to you. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If you file an appeal, you're entitled to have a transcript of all the hearings in this case. Do you understand that right?
Yes.
Are you waiving that right?
Yes.
If you could not afford a copy of those transcripts, they'd be given to you at no cost. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If you plead guilty today, you will not have the right to appeal the guilty finding. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you have any questions about any of these rights?
No, Your Honor.
Do you still want to plead guilty to this charge?
Yes.
Do you understand by pleading guilty, you're fully admitting your guilt to the charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand by pleading guilty to this felony that you're voluntarily giving up your freedom for whatever period of time I could sentence you to prison, to jail, or to community control?
Yes, Your Honor.
Possession of cocaine is a felony 5. It carries a 12-month maximum prison sentence and a $2,500 maximum fine. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand if you plead guilty to the forfeiture specification, you're voluntarily giving up the items listed in that specification?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand that your felony conviction would prevent you from owning or possessing a firearm?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand your guilty plea may result in a driver's license suspension of between 6 months and 5 years?
Yes.
Do you understand that if a prison term is imposed in this case, you might have to serve a period of post-release control as part of your sentence for up to 2 years under the parole authority?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you are placed on post-release control and violate any conditions, the parole authority could send you back to prison for up to 9 months for each violation, up to 1/2 of my sentence. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
If that violation is a new felony, then you could get an additional consecutive prison sentence for that violation. Do you understand that?
Yes.
If that were to occur, the maximum prison sentence for that violation would be the greater of 12 months of the time left under post-release control. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand if a prison term is imposed, you are eligible for judicial release?
Yes, Your Honor.
I could place you on community control for up to 5 years, but if you violate any conditions, I could send you to prison for 12 months. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Has anybody promised you that I would be lenient on you just because you're pleading guilty today?
No.
Has anybody promised you what I will sentence you to in this case?
No.
Do you understand I do not have to follow a sentencing recommendation of either the prosecutor or your lawyer?
Yes.
Have you had enough time to talk with Mr. Smith before pleading guilty today?
Yes.
Has he discussed everything about your case and answered all of your questions?
Yes.
Are you satisfied with the advice he has given you?
Yes.
Have you been threatened or coerced in any way to plead guilty today?
No.
Are you freely, knowingly, and voluntarily entering your guilty plea?
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
All right, Ms. Contour, if this case went to trial, what would the evidence show?
Thank you, Your Honor. The evidence would have shown that on June 17th of 2025 in Lake County, state of Ohio, a vehicle that the defendant was in was pulled over for a traffic infraction. During a search of that vehicle, there were suspected narcotics found in the vehicle next to him. Those were sent to the Lake County Crime Lab, confirmed to be cocaine. The amount being less than the bulk amount, those were also sent for DNA testing, and the defendant's DNA was present. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Smith, anything to add to those facts?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Harvey, did you hear what Ms. Contour said that the facts would show if the case went to a trial?
Yes.
Are those facts true?
Yes.
What is your plea to count 1, possession of cocaine, a felony 5?
Guilty.
And what is your plea to the forfeiture specification?
Guilty.
All right, Mr. Smith?
Just sign one, right? Yeah, sign one. Yeah, so sign, sign your name.
What's the date?
The second,
What month?
September
Nine.
2nd. Yeah, 9/2/25.
Your Honor, I witnessed the defendant as well as counsel signed a written plea of guilty. I've signed it as well.
Mr. Harvey, is this your signature on the written plea of guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you sign it voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you want me to accept your written plea of guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Accept the written plea of guilty. Defendant was present when Mr. Smith advised of all of his rights in a knowing, intelligent, voluntary waiver. He understands the nature of the charge, the consequence of his guilty plea, and the maximum penalty. Find it to be knowing, intelligent, and voluntary. Will accept his plea of guilty and find him guilty of count 1, possession of cocaine, a felony 5, and the specification. I'll refer this for a pre-sentence report and a drug and alcohol evaluation. Sentencing will be October 8 at 1 p.m. Mr. Smith, as the bond?
Yes, Your Honor, if I can be earned briefly on bond. Just asking if Mr. Harvey's bond can be somewhat reduced. He would like to get out, be able to take, get his girlfriend situated, who was a defendant, related in this matter as well, and take care of his affairs, especially in case if he has to do any time. So,
All right, Ms. Contour?
Your Honor, his bond is already, I think, very reasonable. It's $3,500, 10% cash surety. Additionally, I've been led to believe, and based on the evidence, that Mr. Harvey does not have stable housing, and I have concerns on whether Mr. Smith will continue to be able to get a hold of him approaching sentence.
Where do you live, Mr. Harvey?
I live at a trailer park home in Geneva,
What-
at a friend's house. I don't know the exact address. He has it written down.
Okay.
It's stable. I just wasn't sure of the exact address. I know it's lot 49, and it's at Austin Road Homes. And
All right. I'm going to reset your bond. I'm going to release you on your own recognizance. Okay, so what that means is you're going to sign some paperwork. If you don't show up at your sentencing hearing, you'll be charged with another felony of the 4th degree for
Yes,
not
Your Honor.
appearing.
definitely give me
So when you get out today,
Yep,
you're going straight to the probation department to begin the pre-sentence report process.
yep.
And then when you get to this Geneva trailer park, you're to immediately call the probation department and give them that address, as well as Mr. Smith is to have your address, okay?
Okay, do you have the probation officer
And
phone number?
if you don't,
No, you can get that when you go for
Okay.
probation.
if you don't show up, then you're gonna be in a world of hurt, do you understand that?
Yes, I understand completely, all right.
Anything else, Ms. Cox?
Yes, Your Honor, what was that date for sentencing again?
October 8th,
8.
At what time?
1 o'clock?
Okay, is it possible to do it late morning or later than 1 o'clock? Because I have a 1:30 pretrial elsewhere.
Let me look real quick.
Okay.
Counselor, we got, I'll bring some paperwork.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, the OR bond.
All right, so I'll
Okay.
definitely call.
Yes,
And, all right,
100%.
and please show back up here.
Oh, I will. I don't have no intention of that. I want to get this straightened out. I just need dollars before I come back.
How about at 9 o'clock?
I have a 10 a.m. in-person final pretrial in Cuyahoga County. After, I would say maybe later in that morning or later in that afternoon would work better for me. Unless we.
How about 3:30?
Yeah, 3:30 works.
Okay, so it'll be October 8th
Better for me too.
Okay.
at 3:30. You got that, Bob?
Yes, sir.
Can you write that down?
All right, anything else?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Okay. Adjourn.
October 8th at 3:30, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, Counselor,
Yes.
I see that, well, the thing is, we don't have an address, so we'll have to update it when we get a chance, but still need signature and whatever information given in the same way, with this bond form,
Mm-hmm.
the notice on the back. You wanna
Okay.